Watch how a conversation flows when two people are in total sync. It is often a sequence of subtle verbal cues leading to agreement. In neuro-linguistic programming, this systematic approach is called the Milton Model. Named after Milton Erickson, it uses language patterns to shift how listeners process your suggestions. Today, we are going to build a 3-part script using 3 of these core patterns: a tag question, an embedded command, and a double bind. To make this practical, grab a pen and paper. Identify one specific result you want to achieve today, like asking for a deadline extension or a simple favor, and write it at the top of the page. We start with the tag question. This short fragment is added to the end of a statement to invite agreement. By starting with an undeniably true statement, the listener's conscious mind focuses entirely on that fact. Attaching a question to the end makes the entire thought significantly easier for them to accept. Here is the basic structure. Take a statement like, "This is easy," and attach the tag, "Isn't it?" Others include, "You know," or "Can't you?" There is also a standalone tag, "That's right." It validates their experience, making it difficult to disagree. Write down your first sentence now. Make it a simple, true observation about their current situation, and end it with a tag question. The second part is the embedded command. This is a technique for placing a specific instruction inside a larger, softer sentence. Telling someone directly to sign the contract can very often create an immediate moment of hesitation and resistance. Hiding that directive inside a casual observation helps maintain the rapport you have already built. The neutral text is your carrier sentence. The highlighted section, "Learn to relax," is the instruction you want them to follow. Another example: "I'm curious when you will realize this is the best deal." The observation about curiosity carries the instruction seamlessly. Now, write your second sentence. Take the core action you want the person to take and wrap it inside a casual, observational statement. But the script alone is not enough. If you read an embedded command in a flat, monotone voice, the instruction gets lost. "I wonder how quickly you will finish that report today." Without a vocal shift, the instruction carries no extra weight. To make the instruction stand out to the unconscious mind, use analog marking. These physical or vocal signals highlight the command. You can drop your tone slightly, add a brief pause before the command, or stretch the vowels of the key words. You can also use a visual anchor, like a subtle hand gesture timed with the command words for extra emphasis. Practice reading your second sentence out loud. Try dropping your tone or adding a micropause on the command words until it sounds natural. The final step is the double bind, used to close the script by offering an illusion of choice. You offer 2 distinct options that both lead to your goal. Because you are asking them to choose between A or B, you are operating on the assumption that the result is already happening. This flowchart shows how it works. Instead of asking if they want to move forward, you ask, "Would you like to start on Tuesday or Thursday?" Either choice results in a confirmed start date. This only works if your delivery stays helpful and low pressure. If it sounds like an aggressive demand, the listener will likely push back. Write your final question now. Craft 2 acceptable options that both fulfill your ultimate goal. Read all 3 of your sentences back to back. You will notice a progression. You gain initial agreement, you suggest an action, and you offer a choice that confirms the outcome. Milton Erickson believed that specific words are secondary to your overall state. Your tone, your posture, and your confidence are what make these patterns effective. Having a rehearsed sequence like this changes the way you communicate. It moves you from simply talking to actively guiding the direction of the conversation. I would like to see your work. Post your custom double bind in the comments below, and try using your full 3-part script in a real conversation today.